Hello everyone, a very good morning to you all. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Great. I hope you all are studying hard for your 4th class test also. So this video is for standard 2 and for day 1, and as you can see here, subject is moral science. So we are going to study moral science today. And what we are going to study in moral science? In moral science, we are going to study chapter number 8, that is kindness. What is the name of the chapter? Kindness. So, children, think, what is the meaning of kindness? Think. Yes, kindness is to take care about people, animals, and environment. A kind person gives tender attention to the sad and the needy. Kindness is to take care about people. It may be good or bad. The people may be good or bad. Then also we must be kind to everyone, every animals as well as towards environment also. A kind person is a person who gives extra care, extra attention to a needy and sad. So, tender attention means to give extra care, to give extra attention to the sad person who is not feeling well, or you can say who is very needy also. He cheers the hurts and take care of animals. The kind person cheer the hurt of others, and he make everyone smile and take care of all the animals as well as the environment also. Doing good for others feels good. Yes, children, whenever we do something good for other, whenever we do some gestures to other, then also we feel very good, right? Showing kindness to other is just as rewarding as receiving it from someone else. Showing kindness is a very good deed, and we must show kindness to others. Kindness means to love other, to take care of everyone selflessly. That means without any selfishness. We are taking care of the people. We are looking after them. We are taking care of animals as well. We are helping each other. We are loving each other without expecting anything in return. We must not expect anything in return from any people, any person, or any animal also, because kindness is one of the biggest value of human being. So we must be kind towards everyone, right? So there is a story. In this story we are going to study about birds appreciate kindness. They love people who are very kind to them. So in this story is about a bird. A blue bird is there in this story. Zhao Ling is there. Zhao Hang is also there. So Zhao Ling and Zhao Hang, both of them are brothers, and this story is about them and the bird also. Zhao Ling was a kind boy. Zhao Ling was a very kind boy living in a village in China. He lives in a village in China. One day what happened? Zhao Ling and his brother Zhao Hang was playing in the field. There were many birds was there, and they were flying around them. Zhao Ling picked up a stone and aimed it at a bird. He wants to hit the bird, the blue bird. Zhao Ling was very kind. He was very great also. He just tried to stop his brother, but it was too late. He threw the stone and it hit a bird. Zhao Ling threw a stone and the stone hit the bird very badly, and the bird fell down and was very injured also. So at the same time, Zhao Ling ran towards the bird. He picked up the bird very gently and he examined the bird, whether the wound is deep or the wound is very small. He examined the bird. Then he was able to see that the bird was bleeding very badly. Red blood was coming out from the body of the blue bird. Zhou Ling carried the bird to his house. He picked up the bird and very gently he carried the bird to his house. He dressed, he cleared all the blood from the bird's body, and then he dressed the wound. Then he gave some food and water to the bird. Gradually, that means slowly, what happened? Because of Zhou Ling care, the bird recovered very nicely. The bird recovered very nicely, slowly. The bird grew, found to Zhou Ling that he was very kind and he was very loving also. The bird used to sing with him. The bird used to sit on Zhou Ling's shoulder and eat from the hand of Zhou Ling. So one day what happened? Zhou Ling was taking care of the bird very nicely. Zhou Hang got jealous. He was very jealous because he was able to see the bond between a bird and Zhou Ling. So Zhou Hang was very jealous also. At the same time, Zhou Ling was playing with the bird, and Zhou Hang told his brother that, "Give me the bird, it is mine. I saw this bird first." But Zhou Ling knew that his brother would not take care of the bird properly, and he did not give the bird to him. Zhou Hang went to his father and complained about Zhou Ling, and why the father was asking to Zhou Ling that why he is not giving the bird to Zhou Hang. Then Zhou Ling told the whole story to his father. He narrated the whole story to his father. Then what happened? His father decided to let the bird decide whether it wanted to be with Zhou Ling or Zhou Hang. So at the same time, Zhou Ling and Zhou Hang, both of them were standing apart, and in the middle of the room the bird was there, and the bird decided to stay with Zhou Ling. The bird decided to stay with Zhou Ling because Zhou Ling was very kind and very good also. He was taking care of the bird very nicely. The bird loved Zhou Ling because he had shown much care and kindness toward the bird. When the bird became strong enough to fly, then Zhou Ling set it free in the forest. Now the bird was very happy, as well as Zhou Ling was also very happy, and he was happy because he knew that God have made all the animals, all the creature, and we must take care of everyone. We must take care of every people, every animal in this world, because they are the creature of God. Okay, children? So this was the story of kindness. Now we are moving towards answer in one or few words. Now you have to answer the given question in one word or a few words also. So question number 1 is, who set the bird free in the forest? So we all know that who set the bird free in the forest, children? Zhou Ling. Zhou Ling set the bird free in the forest. Zhou Ling. Who set the bird free in the forest? Zhou Ling. Z-H-O-U. Zhou Ling. Zhou Ling. Okay. Next question, you can see here in this picture also how Zhou Ling was taking care of the bird, right? Next question is, who gives tender attention to sad and needy? So, kind person gives tender attention to the sad and needy. So, what will be the answer? Kind person. K-I-N-D, kind, P-E-R-S-O-N. Person who gives tender attention to the sad and needy. Kind person, children. So, you will write kind person. You can see in this picture also how one boy is helping his friend. So, we must be kind towards everyone. Question number 3. Who aimed at the bird? Beautiful bird. Who aimed at the beautiful bird? So the answer will be Zhou Hang. Zhou Hang. We all know that how bad was Zhou Hang, and he aimed at the beautiful bird. Who aimed at the beautiful bird, children? Zhou Hang. Z-H-O-U, Zhou, H-A-N-G, Hang. Zhou Hang. You can see in this picture also, this boy is Zhou Hang, and he was aiming at the bird. Question number 4. Who was injured and covered with red blood? So in this chapter we have studied that the bird was injured and covered with red blood. Who was injured and covered with red blood, children? Bird. Who was injured and covered with red blood, children? Bird. B-I-R-D, bird. Okay. You can see in this picture also who was covered with red blood? Bird. Whom did Zhou Hang complain for the bird? And we all know, we all have studied in the story also, Zhou Hang complained for the bird to his father. So what you will write? You will write father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father will be your answer. Whom did Zhou Hang complain for the bird? Father. F-A-T-H-E-R. This is question number 6. What decision father gave to Zhou Hang? What decision father gave to Zhou Hang? Let the bird decide for itself with whom it wanted to stay. The father decided to let the bird decide for itself with whom it wanted to stay. Whether the bird wanted to stay with Zhou Ling or with Zhou Hang. So the decision was, what the decision father gave to Zhou Hang? Let the bird decide for itself with whom it wanted to stay. This will be your answer, children. You can see this is the bird, the blue bird. Question number 7. Who has made all the creatures? So children, who has made all the creatures? That means everything in the world is made by God. So what will be your answer? Your answer is God. You will write God, G-O-D, God. That means God is the one. He is the one who has created everything in this world. This creation is of God. You can see how God is loving their kids, how God is loving animals also. Question number 8. How should we behave towards all the creature? How should we behave towards all the creature? So the answer is kindly. K-I-N-D-L-Y. Kindly. That means we should behave with everyone, with every creatures very kindly. K-I-N-D-L-Y. How should we behave towards all the creatures? Kindly. So in this way you have to write your answers, children. You can see in this picture also 3 friends are there and they are very happy with each other. They are very kind towards each other and they are not fighting at all. So we should also not fight with anyone. Question number 9. According to God's will. According to God's will. To whom should we love and obey? According to God's will, to whom we love and obey? Everyone. That means we should love and obey everyone. So, according to God's will, to whom should we love and obey? Everyone. So, you will write everyone. E-V-E-R-Y-O-N-E. One. Everyone. Question number 10. Who dressed the bird's wound? Who dressed the bird's wound? So, in the chapter, that is kindness. Chapter number 8, we have studied that Zhou Ling dressed the bird's wound. Zhou Ling dressed the bird's wound. So in this way you have to write your answer. In this picture you can see that bird is loving Zhou Ling very much. Is loving Zhou Ling very much. And this boy is Zhou Hang and this is Zhou Ling. So thank you everyone for paying attention here. You have to write your answers very nicely in very good handwriting and correctly also. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.